ready to unlock a whole new level of style without breaking the bank. Let's dive into how to use Pandabuy to build your dream wardrobe. First up, finding your gems. Head to pandabuy.com. You can search directly using keywords like streetwear, hoodie, or vintage to even better. Paste a link from your favorite online store, like Taobao or Wadian, into the search bar, and Pandabuy will find similar items. Once you have your results, use the filters to narrow things down, refine by price, material, color, or even the number of sales to find the perfect piece that suits your style and budget. Look closely at the product pictures. They're your first clue to the item's quality. Found something you love? Click on it to see detailed pictures and, most importantly, the customer reviews. Pay attention to what people say about the sizing and the quality of the fabric. This is where you can dodge those potential fashion disasters. Choose your size and color, then add the item to your cart. Don't be afraid to order multiple sizes. If you're unsure about the fit, remember, you can always return or exchange through Pandabuy's agent service. Now for the crucial quality check. After the items arrive at the Pandabuy warehouse, they take detailed photos for you. Inspect these carefully for any flaws or discrepancies. If something isn't right, you can request a return or exchange before it even ships to you. Finally, choose your shipping option. Pandabuy offers various carriers, each with different speeds and prices. Consider your budget and how quickly you want your clothes. Factor in customs fees. These vary by country. Confirm your order and sit tight. Pandabuy will keep you updated on the shipping progress. Before you know it, you'll be rocking your new fits. So ditch the retail markup and start building your wardrobe the smart way with Pandabuy. Hit that subscribe button for more style tips and tricks.